Yo, what's up guys, it's Aaron the Courier and today we're going to be buying the Mysterio profile picture. So yeah, let's just do it. So basically, I decided to buy the Mysterio one because I really like the character and I think he's really sick. I know it's kind of a waste of units, but you know what, let's just do it because it's probably the only one I'm actually going to buy. So and it's going to look sick on my profile, so let's go ahead. It's just going to drain all my units. 5 days left. Boom. Got it. Alright, so we got that. Yeah, let's put it on. Boom. You see that? Look at that. So now Aaron the Carrot ain't Doc Ock or Blade. Doc Ock was like forever my profile pic. We now got Mysterio up there. So yeah, that looks nice. So right, let's go over to where is it? The loyalty store, because we also got to buy fast unstoppable colossus. Duping him, boom. I've had so many vouchers, I just never used it. So now he's duped. Is there anything else I can buy? Alright, we'll leave that. Yeah, this is really it, guys. I'm just gonna open a quick 4-star for you guys, just to end off the video. But yeah, I just wanted to buy that profile picture. That was it. Yeah, we'll go with this 4-star crystal just to end it off. Spin it out. Let's see what we can get. I mean, like Mysterio, he's so sick in that movie and Spider-Man. I don't know, I've just loved the character forever. I'm happy with this. Well, now all my units are gone, but it's okay. Right, we're tapping this 4-star. Hopefully, we can get some sick in there. Torch. Wait, I tapped it, but it's not stopping. Oh no, problem connection. That ain't good. Is it stopping? Alright, it's stopping, guys. Who are we gonna get? Emma Frost! Yes! That is sick! That's the first time I got Emma Frost. That is sick. My bro's got Emma Frost. Oh yeah. Yeah, let's go. Got Emma Frost. I'm probably gonna take her up to rank 5 straight away. Put her on Alliance War defense. Oh yes, she is wicked. Finally got an Emma Frost. Let's go. This is the end of this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.